So in a previous lecture, we looked at dividing the values 1 times 10 to the minus 10 by 10 to the minus 12. And if you didn't get the right answer in your calculator, let's look at how to use the functions of the scientific calculator to your benefit. So one of the great things about the scientific calculator, it has this key known as EE. And what the EE key means is times 10. So when you're inputting scientific notation, you never ever hit the multiplication symbol before the 10. You just hit EE, and that means times 10. Alright, so let's find it on this calculator. It is, the EE key is above the x to the minus 1, and notice it is in blue, so that means before you use it, you have to hit the blue second function button, which then activates the EE for this button. Alright, so let's go ahead and put these numbers in. To put 1 times 10 to the minus 10 into this calculator, you'll hit 1, and then you'll hit second function, and then EE. Notice you don't hit times 10 or times EE. It is just 1, because that's our value here, and then the times 10 is taken care of by hitting second function EE. Then we'll enter the exponent, which is negative 10. We do not want to use the subtraction key for that negative 10. We want to use this change sign key down here under where it says answer. And so negative, and then we hit 10 for 10. Okay, so now that number is into your calculator. Now we're going to divide. So we hit the divide button, and then 10 to the negative 12th. So that will be second function EE negative 1, 2, and then you hit equal. And your calculator will probably say 120, which is equal to 1.2 times 10 to the 2. If you want to convert to scientific notation without moving the decimal point, your calculator will do it for you. You can access that. Up here, we see above the DRG, we see sci/eng, and if you hit second function and then the DRG button, you'll see 3 different options, and you will use this arrow to select the second option, which is scientific notation, SCI, and if you hit that, then all your answers will then be displayed in scientific notation, even if it doesn't make sense to display them in scientific notation. So if you're finding that having everything in scientific notation is sort of confusing and causing you to write the wrong answer, then you can go back to the normal way by hitting just the DRG. You have to go back to second function and then scientific engineering and go back and select DRG.